Motherboard replacement tutorial. Motherboard replacement tutorial. Remove the 4 screws and the 7 surrounding screws. Open the top cover. After opening, remove these cable ties. Use pens of different colors to mark these sockets. Prevent plugging the connectors into the wrong sockets later. There are 6 sockets in total. Mark the corresponding sockets and connectors. Then bring the new motherboard. Also mark them with the corresponding colors. It will be less likely to make mistakes when reconnecting the plugs later. Then unplug the connectors one by one. Also label the sensors with corresponding colors. Make sure to also label these sockets and plugs with colors. Match them one by one. Also label the replacement motherboard with corresponding colors. Then unplug the sensor connectors. Loosen the 2 screws at the bottom of the circuit board, replacing the motherboard. Use a socket wrench and hex screwdriver to loosen the screws. Remove the motherboard. Then install the new motherboard back into the case. Then plug back the color-marked connectors. Follow the reverse order of the disassembly process. Reinstall the circuit board. The motherboard replacement is now complete.